Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, in today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw step by step an eastern gray squirrel. What I like about this squirrel is he has a red knapsack. I think you're gonna like it. Come on, let's get to drawing. Okay, first thing we're going to do is to draw an egg shape. This will be our squirrel's head, and then I'm putting a ring and a center line to determine where the center of his head is going to go. Next, let's go ahead and draw his body. And it starts off almost straight. It has almost a triangle feel, but with very curved edges. I'm going to draw lightly the pole that his knapsack is going to hang down from. And just a quick overlap of that pole, I'm going to put one of his arms. We're going to use a V shape in order to draw his nose. A nice gentle curve to come up and to show him that he has a nice smile on his face. This will be the white area of his eye. And then we'll put a round dot for his eye here. Like everything else, make sure you draw lightly. We'll come back in with darker lines once we get everything in place.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Darkening up his head here. Let's add some ears. And they have a kind of a triangle feel to them as well. The ear that's closer to us is going to be more round shaped. Let's draw his foot now, and you can see it's just a quick straight. Make sure the bottom of his foot is a very straight line. And his hip comes out from the back side there. Now he's kind of stepping off on his toes here. So let's draw almost like a backwards L, a slight curve, then come around, nice circular motion to get his hip. Let's draw his other arm in. Let's get a giant S curve here. This is going to be for the underside of his tail. And then a nice long sweeping curve here. It'll just come on the one side of his ear. Let's draw a quick teardrop and then two smaller teardrops to signify the tying up of his knapsack. And now it's a matter of just adding additional details. And we could start darkening in his lines. Adding some thickness to the pole And if you have fallen behind, this is a great time right now to pause the video, get caught up. You can look at the examples I have on the left to see how I've colored it, but that pretty much sums it up. Well, I hope you really enjoyed drawing our gray squirrel, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye-bye.